But they're rough. Can you tell me what happens as time raises us? Can you show me the place where our innocence hides? Sweetness of a hatred and pride haze my weary mind, and I talk of a gun to shadow the sun in my sky. In my sky. Then darkness had come and my heart had turned away. No wish, no desire, just wilderness of brain. It was only beginning, but I was ready to go on, to get my very prize, to turn off my empty soul. Anger and obsession of aim hazed my blinded brain, but there was nothing to shudder or nothing to fight but my crime. But my crime. Then I saw the light that had the color of eternity, and I felt that hope was coming back to me. I saw the sun in the clouds, reflection of my state, as my soul was a reflection of that sun that never will fade. Despair and fear unknown failed my empty soul, but I put out the gun to face the clouds in my sky. In my sky. When I was a young guy, I was full of hatred and pride, and now I'm a man who doesn't wait but tries. And I think I know what time has been doing to me, and I feel my innocence still remains in me. Yeah. When I was a boy, when I was a young